Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to remove lock screen password in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. Then go to Accounts, then click Sign In Options. Under Password, click Change. And after that, enter your current password, then leave the new password fields blank and click Next. Click Finish and your password will be removed. To disable password on Startup Microsoft account, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, then type NetPLWIS and press Enter. Uncheck the box that says users must enter a username and password to use this computer. Then click Apply and enter your password to confirm, then click OK. Removing your password makes your laptop less secure. Only do this if you're the only user and the device stays at home. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.